So is that easy? So is that easy to? Hi guys, welcome to 2018. I wish you a very cheerful and successful year ahead. And I made this planner for 2018. I haven't done this before, but this is my very first planner and I am very excited to use this. So in this video, I will be showing you how I made this planner and all the photos I used here, all these dividers, etc. I will be linking that below in the description. I have made a separate post in Pinterest, so you can check that out, and you can also print the same planner. And if you make, please make sure to send it to me on my Instagram handle. My Instagram handle will be down below, so keep on watching. You need 13 OHP sheets and 100 sheets of printer paper and some printouts that I will be linking down below. Check description box. You need these OHP sheets to make the print. Paint or any other paint that you desire. You can decorate your paper as your likings. So basically why I chose this golden paint, because it reflects light. It looks very shiny and glossy. You can see now. Look how beautiful it looks. So you need to cut out the printer. You need to cut out the print and stick it on that paper. So now you can stick that out using Fevicol or any other glue. Now your front page of the planner is ready. Now I'm making the last page of the planner. So I wrote stay humble and welcome 2019, and I drew some small flowers. Now these are the dividers that I will be using before starting of every month. So starting off with the very first page, and I took 5 pages extra for writing down all my New Year resolutions. Then I took the very first divider for my January. I placed an OHP sheet and then I placed that divider. You can take 7 or 8 pages as per the month. Like now month have 31 days or 30 days. You can choose according to that. You need to put 7 or 8 pages. So continue doing this. Place the OHP sheet, then divider, then 7 pages, then OHP sheet, then divider, then 7 pages. Do it with all your notebook. And voila, your planner is ready. So this is how it looks. So you can give this for binding or you can use any other craft rings, but I chose binding. So you can now write it whatever you want. I wrote 2018 on the front. You can write your name as well. So on the very first page, I am writing my New Year resolutions. Then on the first divider, I am writing January on the top. And I wrote every month on the top of the divider. And after doing this, you need to write the dates. So I'm dividing my page into two halves, like first, second, next page, third, and fourth, like I'm doing. So I have a lot of work, so I don't like those blocks that have limited space. So I need to write in my flow, and so that's why I choose this. Voila, it's ready, and it's all costed me around 400 or something. So it's really easy and affordable to make. Was like easy to make, so I tell you why I chose these photos. These photos are very inspiring to me. These photos make me feel so motivated and so inspired to be happy in life. And so very first photo is of Ankita Raghav Arora. She is my fashion idol and I have been following her from last 1 year, and she is so inspiring to me. She is so beautiful like a Barbie doll. She gives me all type of goals. She gives me hair goals, hairstyle goals, dresses goals, etc. She gives me like everything. I really love her a lot. So second photo is about this gives me actually cozy vibes for winters. It's winter, so I thought of including this picture as well. It's very pleasing to my eyes, so I choose this one. And these two photos are of traveling. I would love to travel to Greece and Paris, so I included this so I can see it and get motivated to work and travel a lot. So here I have the quote, I am strong. So I need to remind myself that I am strong to keep going in this world. So yeah, I chose this one for that. And now this bubble bath. Bubble bath is actually my favorite thing that I would love to do in 2018. So I am keeping this in front of my eyes so I get reminded every time that I need a bubble bath. I need to buy a tub for myself in 2018. So let's move on to this one. This is actually illustration of fashion designing. I am doing fashion designing, so I really like these illustrations in dresses, etc. So I chose this photo. And now for this thing, you can see it have lot of decorations with teddy, etc. So I am really like a person who will love like a teddy taller than me. So I expect that my mother will gift me, Mama. So for this thing I am really excited to buy. I will buy this big teddy in 2018. So for this thing I will be decorating my room. My room will be renovated this year. So I will be making this tent thing. So that's why I chose this photo. And this photo is for hairstyles and all the good vibes, same as I chose this one. This is actually very pleasing. If you all like this video, and do subscribe to my channel and like and share this video, it will mean a lot to me. And have a positive and happy year ahead. I wish you all the success and keep inspiring, get motivated and work hard. Bye bye. I actually love her a lot. Okay.